Hi guys, welcome to the introduction of letter writing. Okay. Our objective is I can write a friendly letter to describe on a topic from a list of possible topics. So the purposes for letter writing, you can write a letter to describe things, to explain an event, to persuade, to entertain, to instruct, or recount, meaning recount means to tell about something that you saw and you're trying to retell it to somebody else. So if you're writing a letter to describe, you might be inviting someone to a party or something, some sort of event, so they know what to bring, how to dress, that type of thing, or to write questions that describe something specific you want to know. You could write a letter to entertain, to inform somebody about something that happened, write a letter with some jokes in it, or send greetings. To explain, you're writing a letter on how or why, writing a letter explaining why you are thankful, or writing a letter explaining your feelings. These are some examples. To instruct, you're writing or asking for directions. You could be making a request. You could be asking for someone to connect with you that you haven't heard from for a long time. To persuade, you're writing a letter asking for something. You're giving good reasons why you deserve this. Maybe a letter to Santa or something like that. Write a letter about something you believe in. You're using evidence to back up your letter. A letter to recount, you're writing about something that happened, a past event. You're writing about something or someone you saw. Or you're writing about a person, place, or thing. So we're going to be doing an informal letter, okay? There are times when you would have to do a more formal letter, but this one is an informal letter like we were writing one to a friend. So I'm going to open up the informal letter that I have here, a sample letter. Okay, so this one is, it's just made up names and a made up letter. Okay, so I'm going to kind of point out the features of the letter. So here, up in the top, this part and this part, the name and addresses, that's called the heading. So this part right here, this is the person that is writing the letter. That is their name and address. So that will be your name and address. Okay? You can use a fake address. It's fine. You don't have to use your real address. This part of the heading is who you're writing to. Okay? So this is to ABC. Okay? This obviously is your date. Okay? You put that over here on the right-hand side. This first part, while you're starting the letter, is called the salutation. Okay? Dear whoever you're writing to. This middle part here, that's the body. Okay? You will just have about a paragraph in your informal letter. It's just, that is what your letter is about. That's all the contents of your letter, the details, your emotion, all that type of thing is in the body. It can be one paragraph, it can be two paragraphs. That is just called the body. Okay? Down in the bottom, sincerely down here is an example of a closing. Okay? That's how you end your letter. And I see dogs, again, that is the first part that was up here. That is the signature or who is writing the letter.